Hey guys, I want to share with you a chili recipe that I made using all Aldi ingredients. I used a hot chili seasoning mix, a large can of pinto beans, 1 cup of diced Roma tomatoes. For meat, we're using some ground beef. Just season it with some garlic salt, cook it in its own fat, and then we're going to drain the fat. Once our meat is cooked, we're gonna add our Roma tomatoes and the packet of the chili seasoning and just mix it in for a couple minutes. And now we're ready to add our pinto beans. We don't want to overcook these. They're already cooked. If we leave them in the heat too long, they're gonna start to fall apart. So just a few minutes so that they cook evenly with the meat, and then you're ready to put on your toppings. I like my chili a little bit chunky. It's not soupy at all, but if you want more water, feel free to add 1 cup of water to this recipe and it'll still turn out really good. For my toppings, I do some chile de árbol. That's the only ingredient that's not from Aldi. Or you can do some red pepper if you can't handle the heat. I do some limon, some lime juice. It's gonna give it some really good flavor. And I eat this with the Milagro chips that Aldi also carries. I top it off with some green onion, some sour cream, and queso fresco. All of the ingredients you can find at your local Aldi. This meal is super easy, super yummy, and super affordable. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching.